Platinum against US dollar. This week has started with this bearish candle. The previous week has formed this bullish breakout, and the candle on a Monday should not close below this one to validate this bullish breakout. But we can see on the Monday the price formed this bearish candle returning back down, which is invalidation of this bullish breakout, which usually means the move in the opposite direction of the breakout. So this invalidation has been validated with this bearish breakout with the second candle that has returned all the way back down to the first support level. The price bouncing from the support level, returned all the way back up, and on a Friday bounced back down. Now, the weekly time frame shows us a bearish candle. The price has reached a very important resistance level in the previous week. This week the price returned all the way back down, but did not close below very important support levels, which are very important, which were around 995, and also this one here around 988. A monthly time frame currently shows us a bullish candle. It doesn't show too much information because the previous month has closed as this bearish candle. How this month will close, everything's still open because we have 2 more weeks until this month close. Will the price go down? But if the price closes below this one, which is also very important level, and also below this one, 993 and also 970, this is the area, the price will target an area around this one here, where it is also this week of the previous month. For that, it is the best to watch the daily time frame because it shows us much more clean information. For the last 2 weeks, we can see the price is bouncing between these 2 price levels. So first of all, we need to have a confirmation of this bullish breakout, like in this example, where the price will try to move higher, or a bearish breakout that will move down. Now we can see that usually the price in the last 2 weeks is trying to move up without any significant bearish breakouts, and also there are no wicks going below this support level. So this is everything pointing me that the price could try to move in the upper side. But until the breakout happens here around this one, the resistance level, or below this support level, I am waiting outside of the market and seeing what the market will do. After the market makes a bullish or bearish breakout, waiting validation is one step, but if you do not want to watch, you can also start looking in the direction of the breakout where it happens. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.